Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Today we're the Saturday, the 3rd, I believe. I think so. Just hold on, I'm gonna check. Yes, we are indeed. I just checked the calendar. All right, so I did receive my and with that rubber piece around my washing machine. So I received it this morning. I was supposed to receive it on Thursday, but they had some kind of a bad weather, so it was tough for the pole delivery man to reach on my mountain hide. So let's do install this. All right, gentlemen. So this is the Bellow. Okay, so I did check the circumference, how it looks. It's very similar. It's basically the same. However, it's this one is more rigid. Maybe with the time, I do remember about the first time it broke after 3 years. I purchased it. It was not that rubberized. This one is really flexible. I tried to pierce it with my finger, and I feel it. It's more stretching. It's almost like a slingshot. No, just kidding. But this one, I found it. I'm gonna show it to you because it's tough to believe. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Just hold on. I'm gonna look at the camera. Oh boy, it's made in Turkey. So I was like I was saying, I was supposed to receive it on Thursday, but we had a kind of a mini snow squall fall, and the poor young man was not able to climb up the mountain where I'm living. So reported. So I just received it this morning. So let's install this, all right? And perhaps some good military music. All right. So you don't have to over torque it, just a snug because it won't go anywhere. All right, let's install the second part, which is all right. I did that. Well, the front door. You make sure you don't pinch the wire of the mechanism. Everything is good. Now after that you install the seal. You make sure that the top is at the top, the bottom at the bottom. And it's not twisted, like they both match. And then you install the second one. This one has no screws, it's only spring loaded. And voila! The two bottom ones. Okay. I'll get the door. By the way, here, that's the where the pump is, and there's a valve. Already empty it and clean it. The only thing I found is that old Looney. Quite corroded, but it's still worth it. All right, now the door. Okay. Okay. Holy smoke. The lips around here does a really nice fit around the glass. And the bellow itself is more loose. The one used to be tight, and this one have plenty of space. So if the drum does move, it's got plenty. Yeah. I'm very happy about it. Okay. Now the top part. Voila. Now I've got only 2 screws left. It's for the bottom part. The bottom part I ain't gonna install it yet. I wanna have a first load, a load reload, a dirty load reload, and we'll see if it leaks. Right away I will know. So let's start doing that. So it's gonna be working clothes. So all my underwear and my socks. Whoops, not that one, that's white stuff. All right. So, normal, warm, nice. Alright, as you can see, the load just started. So it will go like that. See you later when the water will be about right there to see if everything is working. All right. Well, as you can see, it's doing the washing cycle, and everything is bone dry under. I have plenty of soap. Everything is working so far. So let's see you on the spinning cycle. Cheers. As I was going outside to do some work, the spinning cycle just start. Everything is dry so far. So let's see about that after the end of the spinning cycle. All right, cheers. So far, so good. All right, gentlemen, and ladies, I just come back outside, and it's a past. So I have no water coming from the seal here. Everything is dry, and also all the way down. So it's a pass. So let's do another load. All right. So on that, thank you very much. Have a good Eastern weekend, and cheers.